my belly. Cause no girl can't come cuss me over my belly so I go kill myself in a surgery. And the girl can't come tell me how my body turn bad to put cement in my blood clot body. When you go with that. When you come talk to me with a real body over yourself. Steam fish and okra body over yourself. A man with fish and yam lobster.
Supposed to fall like me at
no yam fish and lobster cause I grew up on blood clot seaside. Me no grew up in a blood clot swamp. Or blood clot go nasty, blood clot death. Or blood clot go. You know, see me come out fully matching for your blood clot. Or blood clot go. Tanya go put on your bathsuit and come.
Smooth skin, brush. No lumpy, no veiny vein. On the chat the people them. Tanya, ask them.